So jom kita unboxing bag yang pertama dulu. I think I've seen someone buka ni tadi. It's a cute plushie. Ni ada dekat mascot diorang tadi sebenarnya. So hello, my name is Unique Comel. Naturals by Watsons. This one is shampoo. This is the conditioner. Also the same edition. Kan first time juga I nampak. And then I dapat free samples for Skintific. I got 2. No, this is not Skintific. This is YOU. Dia bagi free sample ni. I've tried and I love it. The cushion one. Okay, next. Okay, bag yang ni ada I dapat juga. And also I ada beli 2 benda. Berat tak tipu, tak tipu. This one tadi masa I dapat macam okay. Sekejap lah. Ini semua. It's shampoo. And I think it smells like coffee sebab dia tulis coffee dekat sini. Conditioner. Lepas tu, this is shower gel. There. Will I smell like coffee kalau I pakai ni? The last one is hair and scalp tonic. So tu je untuk kotak ni. I bought from the event. I bought 2 things. I joined the group chat. Akhirnya saya membeli Skintific, but sorry, not the cushion one, because I fell in love more with the serum foundation yang kena pump tu. And then I beli sebab I dah habis. I memang guna ni, so I beli top up. Thank you Watsons. I'm trying to like fit in my schedule with like events and some interviews that I have to do, some tasks, and I think this week's vlog is gonna be a bit everywhere, here and there. Hi guys, today is Thursday, 29 August. So kita orang baru balik dari xoxo. Kita ada pergi terdapat air yang kita nak taste test hari ni. One is ice americano for Arif, sebab dalam relationship ni dia je yang minum americano. Iced coconut americano. So atas tu americano, so logically bawah tu coconut lah. And then pandan coconut latte. This one would be my drink and Arif juga, kita share. I tak tahu lah macam nak nampak kan, tapi macam belah atas ni dia ada dia punya latte, bawah ni dia punya pandan. So basically korang boleh nampak lah dia bukan latte semata lah, the basic ice latte. So jom kita taste test. Anyway, thank you xoxo. So kita mulakan dengan coconut punya series. I'm going to taste the pandan coconut latte, and you are going to try the iced coconut americano. So jom. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ini sedap. I will give this 8 out of 10 juga. Sedap. I am not a heavy coffee drinker, so this tastes good.
4 over 10. Sedap.
Okay, next kita try the normal one. I'm going to try the iced latte without any flavor. He's going to try the iced americano. Oh, I like it.
Sedap. 4 lah. Being generous, 4. 4 over 10.
Oh, I tak try americano sebab I tak minum americano, okay? I bagi dia sebab dia minum americano and I don't. I think I like the iced latte more sebenarnya daripada coconut. Itu sahaja. We are going to makan dekat a pizza place. This is where we can customize it. Mana? Kita berada di KLCC. KLCC.
sambut Merdeka guys, sebab kita rakyat Malaysia. Kita raikan kemerdekaan kita yang ke-67 tahun ini. So kita pilih tahun ni tak dekat Melaka, kita sambut dekat KL bersama kawan-kawan. We are walking towards Tapak Urban Street Dining KLCC. Dengan harapan adalah macam firework ke, pertunjukan apa-apalah kan, macam nak menara ni tukar something ke. I love Merdeka. I celebrate Merdeka every year. Okay? That includes this year. Mas nak pegang. Includes this year lah sebab I tak dapat balik Melaka sebab I have an event tomorrow morning. So that means tomorrow morning pun tak dapat nak pergi tengok perharakan.
Abang, pusing.
Aisyah, Adrina baru lepas buat persembahan kemerdekaan. Semangat ni. Azira. Harap-harap ada firework. Pak, boleh lah ni. Lagi bang. Yeay. Boleh. Wow. Lagi tak ni? Selamat Hari Merdeka. Tak nampak. Air mana? Satu, dua, tiga.
Lagi bulan 10 kalau jumpa lah, tanya kerja lah. Mungkin ada lah kot setengah orang yang dah kerja.
So we have Audrina. Look at her makeup.
Yeah. Saya bangga jadi rakyat Malaysia. Long the day.
Hi guys, today is 31st of August. Selamat Hari Kebangsaan to all of you. We actually celebrated Merdeka last night, tapi tak nampak sangat bunga api because the spot that we were sitting at, dia macam terlindung sikit dengan bunga api. I'm a bit sad about it, but that's fine. At least I made an effort. 2 days ago, I went live on TikTok with Audrina for 5 hours. And the next day, my voice turned out to be like this. I memang demam, babe. I memang sesemut. Hai sayang, okay ke? Oh, anyway, this morning was our first time going to TRX. It was such a hyped mall. I gave it a 6 because of the cleanliness, because of the how it looks pleasant to my eyes. But Arif rated it a
6.
No, you said 1. No, he's lying. He wants to please you guys. No, he rated 1 because it was confusing.
Sorry lah, saya dah tua.
And he's old, so yeah. But I loved it. I loved the experience. It's just that it was too crowded. I'm planning to do another live tomorrow, but it would be me alone. So I'll be sorting out my clothes tonight, I rasa, and go to the laundry. Okay, mari kita continue our perjalanan. I tak ada biru ni, dia tak ada biru ni. So pakai je biru apa yang ada. Damage pertama.
Baru je masuk.
Baru masuk. Dapat ni je sebab datang lambat kan. I wanted to spot another kedai tapi habis. Sedih sikit.
Rasa wow.
Marilah kita cari lagi. This is my first time in Rats KL. I'm literally sweating. Okay, the thing about me adalah kalau I nak pergi market kan, especially yang ada banyak-banyak jualan lah, I akan tengok dulu line up dia dan I dah screenshot. Even though I don't know the brand, I kena screenshot siap-siap apa yang I tertarik. So lah, I've screenshotted 4 kedai and I hanya dapat grab satu kedai punya barang sahaja. Just look at this. Just look at this. Cuba korang teka berapa harga dia. RM39. I mean, it's so cute, right? Like, my camera is in pink. Okay, so I think this bag akan digunakan untuk letak barang-barang camera I, such as my lampu, my tripod, my camera batteries, my camera, and dia macam suitable. Tapi cons dia adalah, selalunya kalau dekat event yang pergi record adalah Arif. So yang akan pegang bag ni adalah Arif. Arif akan pegang bag warna pink yang ada ribbon-ribbon. And the fact that the sellers baik gila, generous gila. Selalunya kalau beli, dia akan bagi 3 sahaja button yang ni free. Tapi they give me 5. So I have 5 buttons yang I pilih sendiri. And then they give me free strap for me. And it is adjustable. So Arif can adjust it nanti bila dia pakai. So I like it. I got it from, it's Summerbag _shop. The small one fits what I need, so I bought the small one, and it's only RM39. Yang besar tu dalam 50 something je. Korang pergi support. But it was a good experience at Rex KL. So let's move on to a restaurant. Are we going to the restaurant? Bistro at Imbi. Jom. Tutti frutti. Okay, jom meneruskan jalanan. Okay. Silakan. Okay, jom.